Welcome back to my YouTube channel Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. In today's video, we are going to talk about 7 natural ways to get rid of yellow teeth. It is natural for teeth to change color over time. Over time, your teeth lose their original glow. This is because over time, the enamel which covers the teeth becomes thinner and the dentin below the surface begins to show, giving your teeth a yellow appearance. Dentin is darker than enamel and has a yellow tint. Yellow teeth can be caused by several other factors, primarily including smoking and diet. Even though it is natural for your teeth to change color, yellowing of teeth can be a problem for many people. It can cause some people to feel self-conscious about their appearance. If this applies to you and you want those teeth pearly white again, there are some steps you can take to try and remove yellow stains from your teeth. Tip number 1 is try baking soda and lemon juice on your teeth. Baking soda does a great job at removing surface stains from your teeth. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening teeth. Lemon have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in your mouth. The right way to combine these two ingredients is to put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush and then add a few drops of lemon juice over it to get brighter shiny teeth. Don't apply this whitening method more than once a week. That's enough to get the desired effects and keep your enamel healthy at the same time. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. This combination provides a more gentle cleansing, so you can repeat this procedure twice a week. Second tip is try apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar is a highly powerful cleansing and disinfecting agent. It removes stains and kills all bacteria in your mouth. Simply dilute half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and use this homemade mouthwash every morning before brushing your teeth. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water. Apply this method only once a week because the vinegar can break down the tooth enamel. So be careful. Tip number 3 is trying oil pulling. Oil pulling is a term for washing the mouth with oil to remove dirt, bacteria and debris. It is not a substitute for regular brushing or flossing, but some research suggests that washing the mouth with certain oils may help to whiten the teeth. There are no reliable scientific studies to show that oil pulling reduces cavities, whitens teeth, or improves oral health and well-being. However, to try this method, rinse the mouth with oil for about 20 minutes after brushing, then spit it out. Oils suitable for oil pulling include coconut oil, snowflower oils, and sesame oils. Tip number 4 for getting rid of yellow teeth is using hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleach that can help to whiten stained teeth. For optimal whitening, a person can try brushing with a mix of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for 1 to 2 minutes twice a day for a week. Hydrogen peroxide may increase tooth sensitivity, so it is not suitable for long-term use or for people who already have sensitive teeth. Tip number 5 to get rid of yellow teeth is holy basil. A natural method of tooth whitening is basil leaves. Mix dried and blended basil leaves with mustard oil and then use a combination to rub the teeth. A holy basil mouthwash has an anti-plaque impact and is effective against bacteria strains that cause plaque. It might have benefits for prevention as an anti-plaque mouthwash. Tip number 6 is enamel protection. Your smile may not be as bright as you want because of weak enamel. According to the American Dental Association, tooth enamel is a hard substance. It cannot repair itself once it breaks down. Once oral disease affects the enamel, You cannot restore it, and weak enamel can be more susceptible to decay and cavities. That is where enamel protection comes in handy. Fluoride found in most toothpaste can help strengthen tooth enamel against the wear and tear associated with acidic foods and beverages, meaning fewer strains on weak enamel. Seventh tip for getting rid of yellow teeth is eating calcium-rich foods. Eating foods high in calcium helps strengthen enamel. Healthy enamel means that the layer of the dentin underneath doesn't show, causing your teeth to appear whiter in color. Dairy products and non-dairy calcium-rich foods provide your teeth with the minerals they need to keep enamel healthy. When oral hygiene itself doesn't improve your teeth's appearance, it might be time to consider these other options. Talk to your dentist about their recommendations for removing surface stains and maintaining a bright smile. Now at the end, I will discuss about the causes of yellow teeth. There are many factors that can cause teeth to turn yellow. Teeth can become yellow from certain foods or drinks, such as blueberries, red wine, coffee, or tea. Diet high in sugar and simple carbohydrates. Smoking or chewing tobacco. Side effects of certain medications and mouthwashes. Age is also the main cause of yellow teeth, as older adults are more likely to have yellow teeth. Genetics, mouth trauma, excessive fluoride consumption, poor dental care and oral hygiene, chronic dry mouth, or lack of salvia. This is all about the ways to get rid of yellow teeth. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And for any health related question or queries, you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.